Wash your hands, wash your hands, clean and happy, wash your hands. Before you eat, wash your hands. After you play, wash your hands. Under the toilet, wash your hands. Back from outside, wash your hands. Before bed, wash your hands. Before dinner, wash your hands. Before you sleep, wash your hands. Bye-bye germs, wash your hands. Rub, rub, scrub, scrub, bubble, bubble, scrub, scrub. Clean and healthy, wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Healthy kids, wash your hands. Before you sleep, brush your teeth. Morning too, brush your teeth. Up and down, round and round. Clean your teeth, shiny and bright. Brush, brush, nice and slow. All the germs away they go. Top teeth clean, bottom teeth clean. Tiny teeth, sparkle and gleam. Yay! We love brushing our teeth. Before you sleep, don't forget, brush your teeth, best habit yet. Bath, bath daily, take a shower daily. Clean and fresh we always stay, chasing all the germs away. Bath, bath daily, take a shower daily. Clean and fresh we always stay, chasing all the germs away. Cut your nails. Cut your nails, keep them nice and clean. Trim, trim, trim them short. The cleanest hands you've seen. Cut your nails, cut your nails. Cut your nails, keep the germs away. Clean and tidy little hands.